as NUP, we shall summon you for that. Otherwise, I wish you the best in this process. Try to be brief and try to convince the voters so that we get the best speaker of KCC and deputy speaker. I wish you the best and success.
Oh, thank you, everybody. Today I was coming here, I called my daughter, Tatiana. Innocent Tegusula, before you, I stand here to seek for your mandate to be your speaker, KCCA. My daughter also asked me, Dad, do you have money? I said, I don't have money, but I have integrity. A man of God, I've kept my name throughout 23 years back, and my name is intact. It's not my name, it's my father's name. It's our family's name. We've been keeping this name, and that's why I come here, one, to protect my name, because I have 4 children, all of them, their names are Tegusulwa. I can't buy them. It's the time to fight for their name, fight for my name, fight for the family's name, Innocent Tegusulwa. Not to shame the belief I come from, not to shame my family, not to shame people from Kampala. That's it. I've gone to school. I did my PLE at Kasubi Family Primary School, Old Kampala for my O-level, then HSC Caltech Academy and Uganda Matats High School. I went to Makerere, I did a BCom, I did not complete it in the 3rd year, but however I went to Kuba University. I did a degree in mass communication. I also hold a diploma in law. I'm a 3rd year student at IU, so I know something about the law.
We have technical staffs who are cadres and we do not know what their intentions are. So we have to be a team and fight what they want. Honorable members, through the Electoral Management Committee and the leadership of NUP, I want to thank honorable councillors. You were all capable of becoming speakers and standing. I want to thank you for not standing, because you wanted us to stay united. Thank you very much. I therefore ask for your support in my bid to become the Speaker of Kampala. Thank you so much.
We have been asked to do certain things. We have been cautioned to stand with Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu at all times. And that's what I stand for. The issues that are paying to this city, of the pain of paying for garbage, the pain of the trenches and the drainage system, the pain of the law enforcement team that the principal sang in his song to Gambia to Jennifer, the law enforcement team that is so indisciplined and thinks that in enforcing laws they need to beat everybody. The problems of this city, those are the challenges we must address.
Women who spoke before me talked about the challenges and problems of Kampala. I'm not going to repeat them, because even if you awake a child of 10 years, will tell you the problems of Kampala. I just want to limit myself on the principles and the characters of a good speaker we need.
Makerere. I'm a graduate with a Master of Business Administration MBA from Makerere University. In finance. I went to LDC. I have a certificate in administrative law. I'm going to take a decision mindful of the legal implications, dear colleagues. I have been at it. Comrades, honorable councillors, I'm calling for sobriety, for impartiality, for proper leadership in this party. It's a younger party, we must not it. I have been at it.
It's my honor to stand in front of you to ask for your support to my gesture, to lead this struggle using the methodology not unstable by the dictatorship, with an approach embedded in the NUP ideology and master plan. Fronting me as a deputy speaker, I based on my manifesto composed of 4 main genders only along the core functions of the speaker, which is intervene and chair meetings to set rules and procedures. Lastly, NUP members, we need to consider the grassroots where really we are developing our NUP party as a NUP party. The grassroots are still low, so as a deputy I'll engage for all those people so that we can pull our party to the maximum.
3, 4, 5, and 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Erisinga lwaki oba oli awo mpangudde n'akalulu twazuula nga bannabyabufuzi oba abakulembeze mu Kampala nti bateekawo embeera embi ey'okulaba nga buli mulundi oba buli kisanja kikomekkerezebwa enkola yaakyo ekitalekaawo mukulula okutambula abalala bajje batandikirawo oba oli awo twongereyo enkulaakulana mu Kampala. So eno embeera eyaffe gye tuzeemu olwaleero tuzze kulaba nga tuteekawo omukululo n'abalala bonna abalajja kwe banaatandikira naye nga twagala okukolera abantu bye basuubira mu ffe. Ekisookera ddala ndi mukyala ate era nga maama ate nina ewaka nga kyekibiina kyange ekya NUP wamu ne bannakampala. Nkakasa nti bamanyi bwe baali balonda ne balonda Lord Mayor owa FDC ne balonda ne bakansalas aba NUP abafuddemu sipiika olwaleero nga bamanyi nti tuli mu opposition tulina ebigendererwa bye bimu. Olw'okuba tulina ebigendererwa bye bimu eby'okusaavinga abantu baffe aba Kampala, nkakasa nti tugenda kukwatagana era tugenda kukola bulungi.
I would like to take this opportunity to first comfort my fellow comrades that we have been in this race together with. Let me tell them that this office is not mine, it is for all of us, it is for NUP as a party, and it is for the people of Kampala. We intend to use it to the best and maximize all the efforts to see that we reach out to the people, reach out to the Kampala, endeavor to put harmony between the technical wing, SEC authority to make sure that find the best solution. It is very evident that usually when opposition takes the power and the leadership is focused on opposition, we see that the state council frustrates us. We don't know why.
Ekinyawulo ky'ensizo kisabira mu kkooti eggwanga lino lyetaaga kibaita genda balance na balance kyekifemu kuba tugezaho kubanga awalinga the culture ya Uganda tukudde mu mbeera ya Africa yali eteeka omwana w'omuwala wansi nze nange kamakwogera n'omwana w'omuwala manyi kitegeeza kwepaalira omwana w'omuwala waggulu eri bannaffe ab'ekibiina ekirala